What is the Samsung Phone Finder app and how do I use it to locate my lost or stolen phone?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing an incredibly useful feature for all Samsung users out there, the Samsung Phone Finder app. If you've ever lost your phone or had it stolen, you know how frustrating it can be. But with Samsung's Phone Finder, you can locate your device quickly and easily. Let's dive in.
What is Samsung Phone Finder?
Samsung Phone Finder is a built-in feature on all Samsung devices that allows you to locate, ring, lock, and even wipe your device if it gets lost or stolen. As long as your device is connected to the internet and signed into your Samsung account, you can access this feature from any browser.
How do I set up Samsung Phone Finder?
Before you can use Samsung Phone Finder, you need to ensure that it is set up on your phone. Here are the steps. 1. Open your phone settings. 2. Navigate to Biometrics and Security. 3. Look for the Find My Mobile option and tap it. 4. If not already enabled, toggle on Find My Mobile. 5. Ensure both Remote Controls and Google Location Service options are enabled. Remember, you must be logged into your Samsung account to use this feature.
How do I locate my phone using Samsung Phone Finder?
If your phone is lost or stolen, follow these steps to locate it. 1. Go to findmymobile.samsung.com on any browser. 2. Log in with your Samsung account credentials. 3. Once logged in, you will see a list of your devices. Select the device you want to locate. 4. A map will appear showing the current location of your device. 5. Use the options on the side to ring, lock, or wipe your phone if necessary. That's all there is to using the Samsung Phone Finder. It's an incredibly useful tool to have in case you ever misplace your phone, and setting it up is quick and simple. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and remember to keep your device secure.